Hello everybody, this is Katia, plant scientist. Today I'm going to teach you how to germinate squash seeds. Begin with some ordinary kitchen roll or paper towel. What you will do next is you'll cut out squares of the kitchen roll and write the name of your squash variety with pencil. Pencil does not smear when it gets wet, so pencil is the ideal way to label. Next, take your labeled paper towel and place it in a Petri dish or other small plastic container with a lid. Then add some water to your kitchen roll. Make sure that the kitchen roll is completely soaked. Watch that capillary action. When the kitchen roll is wet, then fold in the edges so that the whole kitchen roll fits into the Petri dish. Your squash seeds will be sitting on this damp filter paper so that they can absorb water, which will stimulate them to germinate. Next, get your squash seeds. Take the squash seeds and make sure it's the kind of squash that's the same name as the label, and place your squash seeds lying on the damp paper towel. You may want to add in a little more water at this point to make sure that the squash seeds are soaking wet. Petri dishes are very reusable. As you can see, I removed some old tape from an old label off this one. Hello everyone! Let's see what happened to those squash seeds that we put into the Petri dishes. In about 48 hours, our squash seeds have grown these cute little tails. Now these little tails are the root, the starting embryonic root, the radicle there. So see, this is how a squash seed looks when it's sprouting. It has a little tail. So then what you'll want to do is you'll want to take these squash seeds and plant them vertically like this in your pot or directly in the ground. I like to grow them in medium-sized pots until they're ready to be planted out after the last frosts. Planting them like this gives a very clear idea that the root will be facing downwards, and also planting large flat seeds like squash vertically like so reduces the chances of them going moldy. Happy planting everybody, and thank you for joining me in learning how to plant seeds. Stay curious about plants everyone.